Story time with Miss Hannah. Hi kids, this is Miss Hannah from the Sardinia Public Library, and today we're going to read The Alphabet of Birds. A. The auk. A is an auk of the Arctic Sea. He lives on the ice where the winds blow free. B. The bluebird. B is a bluebird in early spring. How sweet his songs through the forest ring. C. The condor. C is a condor on the Andes height. He plumes his wings for a lofty flight. D. The duck. D is a duck of the canvas-back sort. To shoot at a flock is considered fine sport. E. The bald eagle. E's a bald eagle, so bold and so free. On the flag of our country, he spans land and sea. F. The fishhawk. F is a fishhawk who lives on the shore. He catches his prey mid the ocean's roar. G. The goose. G is a goose. His feathers we take and put them in sacking our beds to make. H. The hummingbird. H is a hummingbird sporting mid flowers and brightly enjoying the sunny hours. I. The ibis. I is an ibis who wanders in bogs and lives upon lizards and fishes and frogs. J. The jay. Jay is a jay with his blue and white coat, with a crest on his head and a ring around his throat. K. The kingbird. K is a kingbird, pugnacious and bold, a hero in fight and a terrible scold. L. The lark. L is a lark, a sociable bird. His song in the meadow is frequently heard. M. The magpie. M is a magpie. He lives at the west, steals and scolds and eats carrion. He's none of the best. N. The night heron. N is a night heron, of fishes quite fond. He looks for them now as he stands by the pond. O. The owl. O is an owl who hides through the day and comes out at night to seek for his prey. P. The pigeon. P is a pigeon so rapid in flight that before you can shoot him, he's gone out of sight. Q. The quail. Q is a quail who hides in a tree and whistles Bob White with lively glee. R. The robin. R is the robin, so kind and so good, who covered with leaves the poor babes in the wood. S. The swallow. S is the swallow. She darts through the air to catch little insects, her favorite fare. T. The turkey. T is a turkey, a fine dashing beau. By his fuming and strutting, his pride you may know. U. The upupa. Use the upupa, or hoopoe. His crest he can raise or lower as suits him best. V. The vulture. V is a vulture who feeds on roadkill, nature's cleaners, who eats up his fill. W. The woodpecker. W is a woodpecker who with his long bill bores holes in a tree and of worms eats his fill. X. The xanthoronus. X is xanthoronus or Baltimore bird. Oft in our orchards his music is heard. Why, the yellow bird. Why is a yellow bird with feathers so bright, who sings all the day and sleeps all the night? Z, the letter Z, or roost. Z stands for none of the feathered race. It must serve as a roost or lose the last place.
Thanks for reading this story with me. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.
For more stories like this, come check them out at the Sardinia Public Library.